Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. I'm Roland and today we are making sweet and sour prawns over fluffy eggs. Imagine juicy prawns in the delicious sweet and tangy sauce over pillowy eggs. It is nutritious, super easy, and my wife enjoyed it so much that I just had to teach you how to make it at home. Both kids and adults will absolutely love this. What are we waiting for? Let's start cooking. Hi friends, before we start cooking, just a quick life update. You probably know my wife Jamie as the person who's always behind the camera. Well, she recently started a new career. It's something she's been working very hard on and we are both really excited about it. So I'll let Jamie tell you herself.
Hi everyone, I'm now a property advisor in Singapore and it feels good to finally say that. Don't worry though, we'll still be sharing recipes with you every week on this channel. But if you, your family and friends are thinking about buying, selling, renting or investing property in Singapore, I hope you think of me. Whether is it residential, commercial or industrial property, I would love the opportunity to work with you. Just send me a WhatsApp message for a chat. And I've also included my LinkedIn profile in the description box below if you'd like to know a little bit more about my background. Thank you for always supporting us. It really means a lot to us.
Alright, enough talking, let's start cooking. Now we are going to give a light seasoning to our prawns first. I have with me over here 8 pieces of extra large prawns which I have deshelled and deveined. With the shell on, it's approximately 325 grams. Everything off is approximately 180 grams. We just need to season this with about 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt and a few dashes of white pepper. Using your clean hand, just mix them up well. When you're done, we just set them aside and we prepare the eggs. Now we're going to prepare the eggs. First, we need to prepare some cornstarch solution, 20 milliliters of water with half a teaspoon of cornstarch. Put them all in. Cornstarch will prevent the eggs from sipping water after you sort of cook them. So this is something that we need to do. Just mix them up well together, like this. Now we'll prepare the eggs. I have with me over here 6 whole eggs. Add in the cornstarch solution that we prepared earlier on. Just pour them all in. Season with half a teaspoon of salt, as well as a few dashes of pepper. Mix them up well. Once you mix them up well, we'll set them aside and prepare the sauce. We'll now prepare the sauce. I have with me over here half a cup of water or 125 milliliters. Add in about half a tablespoon of corn flour. Mix this up well first. Okay, make sure that the cornstarch is mixed well with the water. Next, we'll add in 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, half a teaspoon of salt, as well as 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. Mix it up well, set it aside, and I'll show you how I put the dish together. Now we'll fry our prawns first. Heat up your wok or pan, add in a little bit of oil, swirl the oil around, add your prawns in, spread the prawns out. We'll cook them approximately a minute or so on each side until they are about 80% done. You'll know when they start to turn red. I'm using medium heat so you can do the same. This dish is a hit with kids because it's sweet, it's savory, and it's beautifully fragrant with the prawns. So once it turns a little bit red like this, we'll turn it to the other side. If it gets too hot, just reduce the heat a little. We don't want it to be too smoky. Don't overcook the prawns. So something like this will be good. Let me show it to you. Both sides are red in color and there's a little bit of translucency in the center. That means it's about 80% done. We'll now remove the prawns from the heat. Now we will fry our eggs using medium-low heat. Add in a suitable amount of oil. You don't have to wash your pan after frying the prawns. You add a little bit of flavor to the eggs actually. Give the eggs another whisk before we pour them in. Just pour them in like this. Remember, for frying this egg, we don't want the heat to be too high. We don't want to overcook the eggs. We don't want them to be really, really tender. Now it's very simple. As long as you can see the edges of the egg starts to like solidify, we just push it in like this. Just push it in like this and push it in like this. Okay, then you can just spread them out again. About maybe 10 seconds or so, you'll start to see the edge solidifying again. So we just do the same. Just push them in, push them in, push them in. Sometimes you need to just tilt the pan a little bit so that the eggs can be cooked evenly. Now we turn the heat down to the lowest because we just want to cook this up a little bit more, right? Remember, just shake down the excess liquid like this. Later we will be cooking the sauce separately, and the residual heat will actually cook the egg even more, okay? So I won't be overcooking this. Now to make it cook easier, you can actually just poke holes in the center like this. Remember, I've turned the heat down to the lowest already. Just shake it a little bit, make sure that the liquid goes in. I'm still using the lowest heat now. Right? You can actually do what I'm doing right now. Center itself, just spread out a little bit like this so that it will cook much easier. Remember, don't put the heat up too high. So I won't be overcooking them. Something like this will be good. They are very juicy and tender, so I'll remove them from the heat. Using the same pan at medium heat, we'll cook our sauce. Add in a little bit of oil. Add in about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic chopped. We want to flavor up the oil so that the sauce will be really, really nice. Once you can start to smell the garlic, we'll add in our sauce. Give it a good whisk first, and then pour everything in. Over medium heat, we'll cook until the sauce thickens. Just keep stirring. As you can see, it has slowly thickened up already. And the color is turning a very beautiful orange. This is what we want. Very nice. A little while more. I want to cook this until I can see small bubbles actually bursting out of this beautiful sauce. I'm not adding in my prawns yet because I want to make sure that the sauce is ready before I add in my prawns so that they will not be overcooked. Okay, I can start to see bubbling by the sides already. We are almost good, and you can see that this has really thickened up very, very nicely. This is what we want. Once it's bubbling, we add in our prawns. Now our prawns are almost cooked already, so we just need to actually move them around, coat them with this beautiful sauce. This will take less than 10 seconds. We just want to heat up the prawns and not overcook them. Okay, you can turn up the heat to medium or medium-high now. Okay, something like this will be very, very good. When it starts to bubble again like this, that means this is done. We now pour the sauce and the prawns over our beautiful egg. Stack the prawns on the center. Just pour the sauce over. This is going to be so good. To finish off, I'm adding in a little bit of chopped spring onions. And ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells absolutely delicious. Let's try the eggs. This reminds me of chili crab actually, but less the spicy part. Really good. Prawn. Crunchy, sweet, juicy. You will absolutely love this. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Very nice. Oh.